Property Securities Act, which was enacted in April this year, is intended to increase access to credit finance by the MSMEs. How it works is that previously the MSME sector has been finding a lot of difficulties in borrowing finances, not only from banks but also from other financial institutions, because they are unable to provide security in terms of real property. Most of them do not have real estate to provide as security. So what government has done is to introduce a bill which will enable banks and financial institutions, or generally lenders, to register their interests in collateral, movable property that the MSMEs may provide. So what this registry does is it creates a platform where the financial institutions, in order for them to have confidence in the movable property that a would-be borrower is providing, they will go to this platform and be able to check, verify whether that asset is not encumbered elsewhere. In other words, to verify whether the borrower has not provided the same movable asset as collateral. So what will happen is that this registry will be available online, so that financial institutions would be able to register whenever an MSME goes to the bank to borrow money and provides a small asset, whether a motorbike or a bicycle or a car. They will be able to register that, so that that same asset is not used repeatedly elsewhere. We believe that the existence of a collateral registry will create confidence in the financial sector for them to be able to give loans even to small business people who may not have land, who may not have houses, who may not have buildings to provide as collateral. This concept has worked very well in other countries within Africa here. Our neighbors here in Malawi have just introduced that. They were the first to introduce, and it's working out very well.